Hello everyone, it's ELLE KOS Glam. I'm so glad you made it back to my channel. Thank you for watching. Today we're going to be doing a DIY, a Rustic Glam Farmhouse pipe shelf. I was gushing over this shelf from Pottery Barn. I really wanted it, but I did not want the price. The price was too much for me. It was $4.99. So I said, why not make it myself and DIY it and share with you? Here is the shelf that I picked up from Kirkland's for $40, and I wanted the look of the Pottery Barn shelf, but I didn't want the price, so I'm going to show you how I did it. So here is the shelf I started with, and here's the wood that goes along with the shelf. I decided to paint that white, and I wanted a silver look instead of that gold look. I went ahead and unscrewed all the screws that came along with the shelf and the kit. Everything was included inside the box, and I painted it a gold leaf silver paint. I'm going to link everything that I used below so you can go ahead and save money as well. So I went ahead and painted it over using a gold leaf chrome paint. I actually painted outside, but I brought it in just to show you what it looks like. Here's my husband measuring the wall. The shelves were centered inside the bathroom using dry anchors.
Here's the wall anchor. These hold up to 79 pounds. No drill bits required.
Next, he went ahead and drilled in the dry anchors first and then followed up with the screws behind it. I wanted to make sure that I had the extra support that would hold anything that would go along the shelves. He found the studs in the wall, drilled the dry anchors in, and then followed up with the screws behind it. It was simple as that. So he marked the place of the markers, went ahead and drilled in all the screws, made sure everything was aligned, and then set the shelf. This project is so easy, anyone can do it. It's very, very easy to do. It saves you a whole lot of money. I really love the look of this project when it was finished. Now that everything is in place with the hardware inside the walls, we went ahead and placed the shelves up on the wall just to make sure it was sturdy, and used a leveler to make sure everything was balanced. And that's it. As you can see, when I painted, I used a very light brush because I wanted an antique look, so that's why it's not an even color. I wanted that antique old feel, that rustic look, but yet glam. This is what it looks like. This is the finished product. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a thumbs up and let me know you loved it. Comment below and let me know if it helped you. And I want you to share with me your project. I'll be doing more of around the house projects. I'm remodeling my home. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification button. That way you'll know we upload. And follow us on Mr. Traveler. Here I have a clock that has seashells in it. A seashell sailboat there. We picked that up on the island. Vase with a beach look. I love a coastal look. And faux flowers that I've ordered from Amazon with extra hand towels. I hope you enjoyed this easy DIY. Please leave me a thumbs up and let me know that you loved it. Thank you so much for watching. Live your dreams, glam your lifestyle. Take care. Bye, guys.